Alrighty, so we are going to go over how to build out a message group, which is going to be the same process that you're going to use both for sending broadcasts, sending messages using Genius Connector, and also for sending messages using Genius Posts. So what you're going to do, I'm just going to use Genius Connector as the example. So what we're going to do is go into settings here. Mine is a total mess because I use it a lot, but we're going to start from scratch. So let's say you want to send an outreach message to people that you're connecting with in a certain group. So we are going to break this message up into 3 parts. The message that I want to send out to people goes something like, hey, so-and-so, I noticed that we're in the same Bay Area real estate group and wanted to network. How's business? So I'm going to take that message, break it up into 3 separate sections, and then I'm going to try to give slight variations of the same message so that I do not get flagged as spamming people by sending the exact same message to people. So what I'm going to start doing is typing up different variations of essentially the same thing. So, hey, first name, hi, first name with exclamation points, and then we'll do hey, first name with a comma. As you can see, you also have the option to do the last name. Once you've built these out, best practice is going to be 3 or more. The more, the better. But I would definitely stay away from doing 2. And if you only type out 1 option, then it can start glitching. So at least 3. If you do upwards of 12 to 20, whatever, I mean, the more, the better. So save message segment. That's going to be part 1. Then we're going to do part 2 of the message, which is going to be the group that I'm in. Again, I do a lot of business in the Bay Area, and I also do it in Alabama. So for this one, I'm going to do Bay Area. I noticed we are in the same Bay Area party group and wanted to network. Copy this. And then again, just slight variations of the same message. Wanted to connect. That's a good one. Oh my gosh, did I spell network wrong? Whatever. It's more authentic that way to misspell words. Maybe I won't do it twice though. Network. And would love to network. Okay, so there's our 3 slight variations. I'm going to save that message segment. And then I'm also going to end this message with a question so that people actually have something to respond to. How's business? Okay. And then I'm going to do how's business? How's business going? How is business? So those are my 3 variations. I'm going to save that. So then I have my message segments saved there. So then I'm going to jump over to groups and actually pick out the different messages that I want to put together. So this is going to be my Bay Area outreach message test 1. So I'm going to insert the message segment, and the one I'm going to do is here. Hi, part 1. Then I'm going to insert another. And I'm going to do Bay Area real estate. That should say part 2. I just forgot to do that, but it doesn't really matter as long as I know what I'm putting in there. So now I know it's going to start with, hi, I noticed we're in the same group. How's business? So I know that that's the order that it's going to go in. And I'm going to click add, and then I'm going to save the message group. So, and now that is saved as one of my message options here. So again, whatever message you're trying to communicate, just try to create as much variation as possible, just so that you don't get flagged as spamming out the same message over and over again.